forecast for Birmingham is 13 degrees with showers.
For the rest of this day, we're going to be heading to Birmingham Library. I just want to get cracking on some work, visit last week's lecture and just actually make proper notes and flashcards. I feel like that girl with these glasses, bro. Like, hello. Let's pray for confidence and courage and discipline, because I just need confidence to film in the library sometimes. Jesus help me.
Let's go!
Thank you.
Quando o piano já não quer mais tocar e as teclas pretas não saem do lugar, quando o corno inglês ter que ir pro xadrez porque não tem mais onde ficar.
Hi guys, so I'm in the library. I was to stay here till 6, done most of my notes, but not my flashcards, and that's kind of more important. I don't know why I did that, but like, it was still effective. But I need a toilet, you see, and I need to leave, so I will most definitely not leave my MacBook here, my tablet here, my everything here, just go to the toilet. This is why you need a library partner, bro. But basically, I think I should just go home because like I need to prep my dinner. I'm about to bounce. We're just gonna wrap up and go. Peace out. Busted. I was not expecting no help, you know. Like, yes, we got help, but like, yeah, I know, right?
I was holding my breath the entire time. But it's been worse. It wasn't too
In
bad.
it, find some cell, you know. Hi guys, it's Thursday. It's currently 3:54. I've had like 2 hours of a break since my tutorial, and that's a prolonged break. It was really meant to be shorter than that because I really have a lot of things to do today. I have a metabolism and physiology lecture to watch, and then I have other 2 lectures for my cells to system module. By the way, I'm doing biomed. I think it's in the title of this video. I'm not necessarily sure if I'm going to title it so, but yeah, I'm doing biomedical science. I'm going to make flashcards for all the 3 lectures that I watch. I really want to potentially write all my flashcards today for the lectures. I just want to be on top of the game, so I'm going to try my best, you know, because I'm already starting to fall behind and it's not cute. it's not looking cute. If you like what you've seen already so far, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram. I actually just posted, I do a lot of fashion content on Instagram, so if you like preppy style, you know, coquet and brats, like, that's how I describe my style. Go there and hopefully you can get some outfit inspo. We are behind schedule. Because we're behind schedule, I can't go where I wanted to go initially. I was to go to the library, the Birmingham library, not my uni library. I'm actually not a fan of my uni library that much because it's not that big in my opinion. Like, obviously it's bigger than my college library, but I just wanted it to be a bit bigger, and I wish we had more libraries, not just like one library, but whatever. That's why there's different places you can go study. So I'm going to go to my favorite cafe, Cafe Nero, and we're gonna go to a new branch that I've never been to, but it's in town. I'm chatting too much. See ya. We're heading to my library. I think I've mastered the confidence to vlogging now. Here's the biggest tip. Just listen to music, simple as that. Boom, you can do anything. And pray, literally. I am a bit tired, but we have a lot of things to do, so we can't be tired, literally. It's starting to actually feel like fall. It is cold.